Are y'all into anime? I used to heavily be into anime. I would watch Naruto, Inuyasha, Beyblade. Like, me and my friends, it was lit. It was lit for us. Now, obviously, I grew out of it, I think. But seeing recent memes of some animes really was nostalgic for me. So it kind of brought up the memories of the time I transformed myself into an e-girl. So I thought, why not transfer myself into an anime girl? To get y'all into the vibe of the anime, I decided to bring to you this Eau de la Children's hair clip. I hope y'all enjoy it. So for this transformation for an anime girl, I think it's mostly in the eyes and in the blush. Basically, eyes and blush is what we're going to focus on. Of course, my eyebrows are always bushy caterpillars, but y'all know how it is here. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna take the lightest concealer that I have and my thin brush here, and I'm gonna line my waterline and literally right below, I don't know what this part of your eye is called, but I'm gonna put liner here just to extend my eyes. I'm gonna use a thinner eyeliner, and I'm going to join my wing to just a little bit lower of my eye. Now that my lashes are on, I'm not going to do too much to my nose. I don't know, there's just something that feels very oppressive when I contour my nose to make it look smaller, but I mean, if that's your thing, by all means, Aesthetically, in the anime, they have a smaller nose, but I'm just gonna keep my original face. So a heavy, heavy blush right on the bridge here, my cheeks. I'm gonna use that same pink tone and really put it over my nose there. I'm going to use Berry Sorbet from e.l.f. and a mixture of this Revlon nude. This is like my perfect nude. I'm obsessed with this lip. Now for this transformation, it does require a wig. Well, for me, I feel like the look won't be complete without a wig. So I'm gonna come back with that and my outfit and have you shook? If you guys are living for this transformation, definitely give this video a like. Subscribe if you want to see more interesting transformations, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye.